Hey, what's up guys, this is Skyforce95 here with the unboxing and review of a wide calf long boot. This is in the color brown by Style & Co. And this is my first actual long boot, so I have to be kind of test driving this thing myself to figure out what this goes well with, but I bought it basically for very casual dresses and semi-casual to formal dresses, and also you can also wear jeans with these. So just take a quick tour around the box. Nothing crazy going on here. It has the white calf sticker. I believe they have the same model of this, but in the normal calf size. So I'll have the link in the description to where you can get this one specifically, but without further ado, let me just open this up. Okay, so here is one of them, and you just remove the inside padding. So these are synthetic, but if you don't look too carefully and you don't feel the material, it definitely does look like leather, which is definitely a plus. I personally don't care too much whether it's genuine leather or not, since synthetic does tend to last a little bit longer and it doesn't wear out like leather does. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing part. Let's go ahead and get on to the review. So just to recap, this is a synthetic leather long boot. It is a mid-calf, so it doesn't go over the knee, and it's also a wide calf, so you can actually tuck in, say, your jeans or some bulkier trousers in these. The zippers on each boot face inward so they won't show on the outside, and using them is pretty easy. They even extend near to the bottom of your feet, so slipping in and out of these is very easy. In terms of other design elements, there's this fake buckle that goes pretty much all around the lower part of the shoe. Again, this is a 1/4 inch heel, so you can walk pretty much as normal with these, pretty much no heel. Moving on to the bottom of the shoe, it has some grippy elements here at the toe part. It has some little thin rivets, and then on the heel there's also a pretty rough surface, so I never really had a problem slipping. The toe box area is also pretty reinforced, so it's good in case somebody were to step on your foot. Then in terms of the heel to toe transition, it's pretty smooth. It's not super flexible, but it's sufficient enough, especially for a boot. But unfortunately, this also means it leaves a little bit of a crease, as you can see here. Then in terms of inside padding, I think it is pretty sufficient. It does a good job of cushioning my legs and also keeping them warm in the colder weathers. And as I mentioned earlier in this video, they go well with jeans, particularly blue jeans, and they also go well with dresses. In terms of sizing, they run a little bit small, so I recommend going a half size to a whole size up. Even though these are not genuine leather, I still think that the design makes it look like it's a lot more high class than it really is. You can actually have these boots on Amazon for around $15 currently, and for that price, I think it's a pretty good deal for a kind of a mimic leather boot. So it's really up to you, of course, what you want to pair this with, but I think it personally goes well with casual to semi-casual, semi-formal dress wear. So no, these are not high-end fancy boots, but they're not trying to be. For a price tag of around $15, these are actually quite good. I think they're really comfortable. They work well for my purposes anyway. If I really wanted a more expensive one, I would look elsewhere. But if you want something just kind of look the part, this is hard to beat. So if you guys are interested, as usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can get the best deals. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.